Silesian Youth Movement jong kaseng reunion Silesian Shillong Province ringkat bakajing snok ti lang jong Kripa Foundation Shillong kala penlong menta kasngi ya kalempung ai jing hikai ya ki samla puli bat ki khna school ki banalat mkhra bat ki jaka ba marjan halor kaphang kumno banya khun persha ya ka jing di drugs parat lais pa angot ki khna bat ki nong hikai ki lawan ban sngap ki jing hikai ba ki jing penshai na ki nong kran ki bet bha ibakan thop na do Dr. Jamino Mautho ba ai banding do Deputy SP Kong Larissa Giri Lingdo, Senior Councillor Kripa Foundation bat kiwe. Halaka jong ka phang, bagi nong ai jing hikai ki kran hakani ka lempung, barok kilayai ban halor ka jing sniu, ka jing penjan, ka jing penlengkot rata, bat ka jing wan, ki jing jenjar, bagi jing kordet bamla ban batai shu ya ki long ying long sem, ki balamat ya ki jing haba ki khon ki ngat hagi tersem jong kani ka jing di ka pasniu tam. Drugs, tang bo pen buat, upen tame, upen king kli, henry ute merau yau brio, hadu ki sngi jing yap. Kindiat na gitu ki balangat haki saite sai khom jong new jingdi basniu kila ban kindet ben riu batang kitu ki badan ka mon bajwat bat ki bayo e ki jing krishan bas kham na ki bahieng hasam kila ban pathat e ki kinjri te mrau jong drugs habakran ha ka program u Dr. Jamino Mautho ulai thu ba ka jing ya lenti ha ka jing im ulai kendo bon ba ki balangat ha ki jingdi drugs kimla ban lat su na u ula ongru bakal long ka basmusi ba bon ngot kila do no e ki jing im jong ki hagarata ka balingkot wat la ka jing persang na kalyang ki pulet pagi seng bhalang bapher kiar le ban tem ka jing sniu ka ba wan na ka jing di drugs henry ka ba don kam tam kum ha ka ne ka por ka de ka jing atrai lang na do ki long yeng long sam hadu ki khna bat ki pat ba baro ban lat na ka ne ka jing sniu ka ba bam pong ya ka jat ben riu kum ju ru ban khang bat pahra ting ka jing wan rung tu jong ki drugs na ki we ki jaka na bar jalla.
And I remember me and him we tried to connect ourselves with the drug users here in the city of Shillong. And personally, at that point of time in the year 1989, I interviewed about 32 drug users here in the city of Shillong. Just imagine that was way back in the year 1989. And most of those drug users, from what I learned, most of them also have left for the heavenly abode. So if we talk about the extent and the increase of drug users in the state of Meghalaya and in the entire northeastern region, I think it is quite alarming. I know that the police have done their job. Maybe government also has made a lot of effort in order to arrest the drug menace here in the city of Shillong and in the state of Meghalaya. But having said this, in spite of the crackdown by the police, in spite of the efforts made from different quarters, and in spite of the efforts made by different organizations to combat this drug menace in the state of Meghalaya, I still feel that we still have a long way to go. Because when we look at our society, when we look at our state, we know that something is very, very wrong. I'm not saying that we're condemning the youth population. But what I'm trying to say is that what we see now, as far as the trend is concerned, I think we need to take up the challenges. We need to take up the challenges head on. I think that is very, very important. Now when we talk about the increase of this drug menace, whom do we blame? Whom do we blame? Do we blame the government? Do we blame the teachers, the schools? Do we blame our parents? Do we blame, the leaders of different organizations? Who do we blame? That is the question that we need to ask also. Who do we blame? I think all of us are responsible also for creating this kind of an environment, this kind of a social environment.
Nakalyang ikong Larissa Giri, ila pensyai halor ke jinglong jingman, hakane ke jok menta, ke baset kot ne, ke lock technology, ya ki ki jingjen jar, bat ki jinglanot mensim, tang haladi marway. Bon sien ki samla, ki set up yaladi, hagi kamra thia, kim kwa banya thu ne peliu jingmut, bat la ki bahayeng hasam, ya ki jing jongki. Kat ba ki yakren lait luot parya, parai, tang bat ki parlok ki baya hap jingmut. Ki kerdap no wat yaki mobile jongki naki score jongki bahayeng hasam. Kum kani ke jing ka thang kala ya ke jingmut jing perkhat bat ya ke do nut brio jongki. Dai hakum kani ka khap ba ka bor jadu ki drugs ki kreng yaki shaliu lap ka jingmelin basniu. Ka kong Larissa kala ban juru ba dai ban yalong perlok bat la ki kmi ki pa bat kani kan pelat yaki samla naki babon ki jing ki ba ki kendu ha ka jing jongki.
Say no to drugs. Know where you stand. Know yourself. Know yourself. When you go to school, when teachers ask what is your aim in life, you'll mention the highest. But what are you doing today that counts? Okay? Just as saying, I want to be so and so, and what you are doing right now is clashing. That counts. Okay? So, do not clash your desire of becoming something with the action that you are doing today. Locking, lock your room, lock your phone, lock your car, lock everything, lock relationship. So that's why, but spend money. Who do you trust? If you can't trust your own parents, use your logic. If you can't trust your parents, then a friend of yours who have got a different parent is trustworthy to you. Think about this. Okay? Try to be transparent with your parents and teachers. Seek help from professionals, counseling centers, then treatment facilities and guidance. Okay, this is something which has only this much. If you have questions, please do ask. Thank you.
Nakalyang Father John Zuziamai, Vice Provincial ke Shillong Province, ilaong. Bangi day ban nang banyale persya yaw drugs nakabaong ningkong yaw drugs. Nakajing adakar ban penbiang ya kapor ya ki baro nadu kapor banyale kai, kapor ban krekot, kapor banya don bat ki parlok, bat banya syongkai haying hasam bat laki kimi ki pa ki hinman ki para.
I just want to say that's only a message that I want to give you this one. We know that from his session and the talks also that we know that it is a quite important issue that we need to address in our state, in our society, especially in our city. And so what is important for us young people like you, especially the students, is that we need to cultivate this one that we need to have this self-discipline, to discipline ourselves, to conquer ourselves first of all, in order to stay away from these drugs, and also to prevent and to help others. We need to have discipline, to self-discipline, to control my thoughts, my desires. But we need to stay away from this. We have to say no to certain things. We must be able to say no to certain things. So we need to discipline ourselves every day, not only for this, even for our studies. Unless we have self-discipline, we will not be able to succeed in life. We will not be able to be successful. I have to get down and study. I have to sit down. I have to go out at this time. I have to come back at this time. I must I must study up this time, I should not forget this time, up to this time, I must discipline my life. So it is a lifestyle and disciplining ourselves. It is a very important issue. Then let us also try to help others, our companions who may be falling into this danger. We may be able to help, we may be able to become Samaritan to these people, try to help, try to create a better society and a better environment in our city. I wish you all the best and God bless you all.
Nakaliang DSP uba Iban Dingdo ula kran halor ki jing sniu ki bami na jing di drugs bat ru kumno ki kta eka bormat ka bors ngotho bat panshai ru halor ka jing kta ka kiat haka imlang salang ula ang ru bana kaliang ki pulet ki persang banya trailang bat ki dor bars nong ban pundu jat eka ni jing sniu ka bami na jing di drugs.
Drugs can also affect how the brain and the rest of the body work and cause changes in mood, awareness, thoughts, feelings, or behavior. In Shillong, we have the ATF, and the Narcotics Task Force, that was formed in the year 2012. We have around 10 members. We have sub-inspectors as well, officers, and we have DSP who looks after the ATF. The ATF is working closely with other security agencies, and information is being shared to track and intercept the movement of drugs in the district. Also, the department is also maintaining close coordination with the rationals of the localities and other non-government agencies to curb the menace of drugs. And the role played by the Drok is also immense.
Nakaliang jong ba irian ula ong lo ki nong di drugs kim dei ki rius ni kim rei ki dei ki brio ki badan kam ka jing rap jong ni om ban iben ye ki.
The stigmatization of drug users. As all of you students have said, when you see a drug user, you feel scared. I understand. It is a very scary thing to encounter someone who is possibly high on drugs. However, students, I'd like to say one thing. From my side, just a simple request. Because stigmatization occurs in our society, because there is some misunderstanding in some areas. I want to change that. There should be a change in perspective. Drug users are not criminals. Drug users are people who need help. They need our help. They need our attention. We shouldn't stigmatize them. Rather, if you see someone who needs help, I encourage you, students, to speak to your teachers, whether it be a family member or another member of society, who can help this person with regards to this matter. As you see, 20,000, sometimes I feel statistics make us very callous. 20,000, it's just a number. But think about those 20,000. Imagine that one person was a member of your family. They were your friends. Just imagine what they must be going through, what their families must be going through. It really is a very saddening situation.
Nakaliang jong ba Eddie Bosco kum uwei ubalang ngat haki jing te mrao ka drugs. Ule thu lingba ka jing sam jung ka jing em ka barim ka bal khata e ka ye ka sam Henry da ka jing rap ka jing penyat basta jong ublei ulalaj war na ki jing te mrao ki drugs.
Not to say anything, in the technical term. We have an expert here today. Yeah, I'm not an expert in this, but all I can tell you guys is this: I am one person I've been through life that I can share at least something with you. If you can take it as an example, or you can take it as an encouragement to take to your life, so that you can have something to talk about today. So here I am. So before I get more excited, I want to introduce myself again. My name is Eddie Bosco Shillong, and I am an entrepreneur. And most of all, and most importantly, I consider myself an employee of the kingdom of my Lord Jesus Christ. And I love my work every single day. And I'm having fun every single day working for Him. And this is something that I always wanted to do. If not because of Him, I will not be here here today standing in front of you. I would have been dead long time ago.
Nakaliang Don Bosco Media Network kala yo banikran bat ki kattu kat ni ki khna school ki bawani simbanta hakani ka seminar tungin snap ki ke baki don ban ong.
As a youth, I feel this program was very knowledgeable as it made us very aware like about the types of drugs and substance abuse and like how it is like damaging us the youths of today and as we're the future. So this was very informative as it makes us very aware and it was like a good program to attend.
What message do you want to give to your fellow classmates?
Okay, I probably like want to like aware them regarding like the substance abuse and that it's actually not good for our health and also not good for us mentally or like physically. So it's good to like stay away from it and it was a very informative and like very useful program to attend.
Kelak ban patai ka kerteng jongpi bat kelak ban yathu ka ai ka jing mentoi ba phio na kane ka program bat perlong mentan.
Kakateng jong adi ba hunalan si ban nga kuli haka school St. Margaret's Higher Secondary School bat nga syong haka class 12 arts mentan. Na kani ka program menta haka nakaliang jonga nakaliang jonga jing perkhat jonga warla dangim nim dei ki ba shame ni kitu ki drugs ni ki aka barok ki balong abusive kadon kami ngi ban tip ki information na yaki ban yo knowledge syapang jong ki namar nila ban ai knowledge yaki parlok jongi yaki bahayi ngasem jongi ki ba don kum kanu problem ha riang jong ki drugs.
Ti kai ka message ba phikwa ban ai ki para khna ki badang puli bat ki baklam yo plat ban puli halor jong kani ka substance abuse.
Nakabenta kitu ki bam la ban aten takasni ngakwa ban ong ba watlada kumbang la ong meniwa watlada ngim shim ya ki drugs ni ki aka balong abusive ni don kam hi ban tip ya ki information ki knowledge ki baya de syapang kani ka topic ba khnang bangin la ban kiar bangin tip ka ka ba habat ka ka basni. From my side, the most touching part of this program is the last session that is given by Sir Eddie. It was so inspiring because it was all about his life experiences and the information that others give can be more inspiring if it is from the life experiences as that person has already experienced and he can give more information about on those problems.
Yes, according to me also it's the last session by Sir Eddie. It was very interesting and it was fun because the way he taught us, the way he like gave example, it was in a very fun way which was very interesting because we could interact more there and then it was good because like we could relate as he was like giving his own example which was actually real, which was based on his life, which it was very interesting. Hence I think the last session was the most fun and very informative. Okay, yeah, thank you.